called Bwyd Blasus Yashka. It's a small takeaway. I do lots of delicious salads, takeaway rolls and sandwiches, homemade soups, homemade quiches, homemade sausage rolls. I have a homemade vegan sausage roll that I've developed. I also have cakes as well, some homemade, not all of them. Mainly I concentrate on the salads. I want to make them as varied as possible using as many ingredients as I can to make them really tasty and appeal to not only meat eaters but vegetarians and vegans too. I also use local meat from the butchers next door. I've also got some art, local artists on display on my wall space, and I'm starting to develop a little sort of shop. I've got a new shelf and I've got a few products on there, and I'll see how that goes. Yeah, I use a Sustainable Way shop around the corner whenever I can, because that's really important. He has a lot of organic ingredients. I've got a coffee from a local roastery in Nantler, which people seem to like. It basically is a case of me opening the cupboard and seeing what I've got. So today, for instance, the Buddha bowl has got spiced chickpeas, it's got rice noodles, it's got a lentil, mint and prune salad, it's got a hummus, it's got a pea cashew pesto, it's got artichokes and roasted peppers. That's the Buddha bowl. And then the standard salad box today, which always has hummus, that's got rice, tomatoes, sweet corn, coleslaw, noodles, chickpeas, olives and homemade hummus. So yes, it varies on a day-to-day basis really on what I fancy. Yeah, I like my plants, bit of a hobby, but it does look nice and green in here and it's quite cosy. But I'm growing my own peppers, I grow my own basil and mint. I tend to go with what people ask me for, and what people come back for. It's the best way, to kind of keep the customer happy. My soup changes on a daily basis. And I also do takeaways in the evening if people give me advance warning. During lockdown I was doing Chinese and tapas, family buffets, takeaways, etc. I'm still doing those with prior ordering, if people can contact me through Facebook or on my phone, or I recently yesterday set up my TripAdvisor account. So, but mainly, yeah, if people give me a call or use Facebook, I can respond to any of their sort of catering needs really. Last week I did some steak dinners for a customer. So yeah, whatever anybody likes, I can kind of bespoke it and build it around their needs.